How to fix Roblox keeps crashing. To fix Roblox crashing error, first of all, make sure that your application is up to date. So go ahead and launch your device's App Store, then search for Roblox application. If there is any update, you will find the update option instead of display. Now you simply have to update your application and also make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. And also make sure to turn off the VPN services if you have turned it on. Now also try clearing the cache or resetting the Roblox data. So hit backwards, open your app drawer, look at the Roblox application icon. Once you find it, long press it, then access the app info panel. From here, head to the storage section. Now all you have to do is clear your cache and also try clearing the data if the clearing cache does not work. And you can also try reinstalling the application onto your device. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.